Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass and Simone Outdoor. You guys know who he is. This is our final 3 days. This is the third day of a final fishing trip. I don't have much to say other than we're out here fishing a spot that you guys see me fish for white bass a lot. But today we are targeting bottom feeders such as catfish, any type of carp, and especially the drum. Other than that, it's beautiful out, it's nice out, it's nature out. It's awesome to be here. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out in the water. Right here. Bring out the shiners, some puppy shiner and some shrimp. Oh, I was hoping to defrost by now, but I guess the cooler does work. Just cut it in half. That's all I say. Right. Alrighty. Simone,
what's up?
I'm gonna let you cast.
Sounds good.
Apparently, you've been the guy who.
I got that magic touch.
Yeah, you got that magic touch, man. So I'm gonna let you do the work here. After before that, okay, just cast after that. So basically, just aim to that bail there. Yep.
Sweet.
But there should be a big fish in there. Yep. It's like a big tree.
Oh.
Yeah. Huh?
Do you cast over here?
Yeah, I'm gonna spread it out. Yep.
Okay. So do I cast here?
Yep. Walk in the water just a little bit so you get clearance. Yeah, just fire it to the middle. It doesn't have to be too far, but. Yeah, it's good. Yep. Look off. So it's just in the middle.
Is there enough current to like break it?
What?
To like take the weight, or does the weight just sit?
Just it's shallow. It's only like 3 feet. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, 3 feet.
Yeah, shallow. Yeah, it's only like waist high.
Wow.
So, but there are, like I said, there are holes in there that when we wade, we avoid. Okay. And there's a hole over there that you just don't touch.
Yeah.
So other than that, yeah, to be busy. Just throw plastics, just smallies, largies everywhere.
I guess I could move this over here.
That's up to you.
Get it out of our way.
Yeah, right
because
there.
it's just sitting.
Yeah, right there is fine. Yeah, just sitting. Yeah.
Just sitting.
I forgot to bring the bells. It's on the boat, remember?
Oh.
Yeah. It's small outdoor special, right?
I'm in my element right now.
Yep. Fighting
First
a tree.
Docks.
Yeah.
Now it's trees.
Now it's trees, right?
Hey, at least I don't feel too bad. There's somebody else's.
Yeah. People catch that line a lot. But that angle's good. Yeah, that's the good angle. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, don't get like 20 feet in front of you, so. Cause you got him? Yeah. Slow. Time your drink, bro. It's white bass.
He's a small guy.
Still, man, good stuff, dude. Oh.
I did that on purpose.
There you go.
Just kidding.
That was a nice white bass. There you go. You see? This is average.
Like average for
yeah.
you, huh?
These are what we catch.
No skunk.
Oh, heck yeah.
That's awesome. I'll take it, dude.
Yeah, that's good, man. Nice.
Yeah,
boys.
David's laughing at me for throwing in the trees. It's all part of technique.
It's fun.
That's the Washington special.
There you go.
It's just,
Yeah, I know. It's on his bone.
yeah.
And see, I got you.
I just can't bend the hook because like
No,
the
good.
jig head.
Just what I do is just stick my finger into the hook. Yeah, just use your nail. There you go, man. All yours. Catch and release.
Nice. Don't play too much with the phone and let this guy go.
Yeah, it's a male.
That's a male?
Yep. It's a male. Got him. For a white bass, we got dinner right here. Not a big one, but it'll be a good meal. We won't starve. Just a little white bass for the grill. Smells so nice. Got him. Yep. Got fish. That's a catfish. Got him, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice catfish. Nice catfish. Oh, that's a big female. Wow, it's huge. Nice female. You guys hear that? Crazy. Beautiful fish. Of course, Simone went to the bathroom at the gas station to catch this nice channel. Beautiful channel. It's female. Oh no, he took off. Shit. I was trying to take a video of him. My finger is bleeding. Quick update here. You guys saw me catch that channel cat. Trying to save it for Simone, but he had to run to the bathroom. Emergency stop. But yeah, caught that one channel. Hopefully we get another one. Oh my gosh, I wasn't recording, but we scrammed over here, guys. That's a good one.
That mud is so slick.
Yeah.
I couldn't see this rock.
I thought I was recording. I just shut it off too. We like slid over here. Don't let him take to your right side, okay? You see all those laydowns over there? Yep. So power him in. Power him in. Oh, it popped off. Oh, it twisted on you. Yep.
He was rolling too much.
Yeah. Yep.
Bro.
Yeah, they're smart like that, dude. No. All right. Well, we made it to the spillway. Why are we here? Because it's really slow. So, you know, when it's slow, I guess we just go where the fish are. There's a ton of fish jumping around in this area, and we just gotta make the best of it for now. And then we'll go back and sit at that spot one more time. But for now, this is what we're doing because we don't have a choice. It's very hot. We're hungry. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. No, he ate it. Yeah, buffalo. That's a buffalo. Yeah, buffaloes will eat your grub, see?
Oh.
Nice, dude. Yeah, buffaloes will eat your grub.
Hey. What a weird looking fish.
Yeah.
Do they bite you?
Yeah, they got teeth, bro.
Oh, they got
I'm just kidding.
I ain't doing that,
There's
dude.
no teeth, bro. It's just a carp, dude.
Oh,
But they're pretty though, right? Look at them. Ain't that cool?
That's...
Oh, jeez. You got one? What? Oh, dude, no way. Dude, it's huge. Oh my gosh, what did I tell you? That's a keeper.
He bit it like right here.
Yeah, that's a keeper, dude.
Woo!
That's a keeper.
My Gopro just died too.
That is a keeper, bro. Like, you don't understand, it's hard to catch these things.
Really?
Yeah, right now. That's an 18-incher right there. Wow, dude.
My GoPro died. I need to put a new battery.
I got it all on my video.
Nice.
That's a walleye, bro. Yes, dude.
Dude, he bit it like right here.
Yeah, I told you, Mama Drake saw. Here. That's a really good fish. 20. Dude, past 20 and a half. Look.
20 and a half.
20 and a half, yep.
My first ever Wisconsin walleye.
That's awesome, dude. Here, rinse it real quick and I'll get it to you.
I guess I'm just having one heck of an intro.
Yeah, dude. Bro, out here catching at 18 is like so hard.
Really?
Yeah. Let's go, dude. Oh, that's good.
Bro, I just saw the line like vibrating.
Yeah.
I'm like, what is this? It's not right. I looked the rod and he's just like...
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. What is it? Keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up. Channel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Keep up. That one. That's a nice one, dude.
Dude, you called it. You were like,
That's
this
the
is
spot. Boom.
not even a minute probably.
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Oh my god. That's a stud, dude.
Just gotta bring the 2 rods over here.
Yo, cool. Look how big it is. That's a nice fish,
That's
dude.
probably like a what, 8-9 pounder?
Yeah, 8-9 pounder, yeah. Beautiful fish, bro.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
There you go.
And she's ready, man. She was kicking this whole time, got us all muddy. Good job, dude.
That was awesome.
Alright, so I don't know how the lighting is, but I just want to tell you guys that right now is actually like a weird time to target catfish. Right? It's not wrong, it's also like very odd, right? Because the white bass are just done feeding, chasing bait, blah blah blah, and then going back downstream. And then here we are waiting for pre-spawn catfish, right? Which can be tricky because they could be anywhere. They could be back in the mudflat, they could be up at the hard bottom, they could be cruising back and forth. They seem to just like nudge our bait and then take off. So the beginning transition of catfishing can be tricky unless you're like on a boat and you can like figure it out. But from shore, all you can do is soak bait and just hope for the best. So yeah, I want to give some time. Sun is still up, you can see squinting, and hopefully we get another one. So stay tuned. It could be walleyes too. There we go. That's white bass. Nope. Yeah, I mean, they're fighters. He's meeting regardless, bro. You see how they're getting bigger? Yeah.
Oh, they are getting bigger.
Yeah. Nice. I want to use them as meat, so go for cut bait. Let's do it. You'll find the ones that are just a little bit smaller than those or that size. So, but these are here, yeah, they're different. But springtime, you'll find the big ones in here too. Yeah, but not a lot. You got a lot of those. Yep. Again? Yep. Man, my boy. Oh, what is that? Oh, crappie. You got a crappie. That's a slab, dude. That's a oh my, dude. Give me some, bro.
Bro, what the heck?
Why is it so big? Oh my god.
Dude,
that's nice.
PB Wisconsin crappie right there.
Okay, you gotta get a picture of that.
Oh my god.
That's a nice fish. Look at the back on that thing. Oh, that's a black crappie. Okay, I thought it was a white crappie.
That's a white crappie. I mean black crappie.
Yeah, black crappie, yeah. Let it go. It's up to you.
I don't have a need for them.
This dude just...
Dude. What the heck?
It's a giant, dude. You got him?
Oh my god.
Bro, the rod's gone.
Dude, I got lucky that the line caught.
Yeah, dude, you got caught in the... Keep up, go to the gas, Hold on to the handle. Yeah, and then reel it in. Yeah, just pin it. Dude, that's a nice one, dude. Oh, the rod's gone. Don't let him wrap you. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh yeah, look at that thing. It's a female again. Nice, dude. Oh, tough roll, death roll.
Too late for you, girl.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Good job, dude.
Woo.
Yep, I got you. Yeah, I got you.
All right.
Is it recording?
Yep.
All right. Sunlight's behind you, so I gotta go this way.
No, it's just recording.
Okay.
All right, here we go. First catfish of the hour. Right here. Make sure she's ready to go. Whenever you're ready to go, she's ready to go. Taking off in the weeds. Woo! Almost lost that rod. All right.
You got him? Drink. I don't know. You good. You got a pin, dude. Good job. Dang, epic hook set. Nice, dude.
Doesn't feel as big. Oh, why did it drag so long?
I don't know. We came back to hammer it. That's awesome. Is it a big one?
I didn't.
It's probably just running at you. Little guy.
Little guy. Yeah, small. Dude, they're coming in. Oh, that's tiny.
Yeah, that's
like a eater size.
Yep.
Young buck. Woo! My goodness.
Dude came back.
I literally almost ate dirt. Look at.
This one's black.
What? I wasn't recording earlier.
Jaw.
Yeah, that's really fun. I think we got more to play with.
Oh yeah. They'll get bigger. Oh, dude, yep, it's got it. Wreck it, bro.
Oh, really?
Yep. Pick it up. Just hold it still. Pick it up. Real life. Real. Jack him. Got him. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yeah, we're about to leave. Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
We were about to leave.
Let's go.
We're leaving prime time.
It is prime time.
I'm satisfied though.
Yep.
Oh my.
It's a tugger.
It's a good one. Ain't dogging nobody. A cat can't dog.
Stupid, bro.
That's a good fish. I got myself a good old catfish.
All right.
That's a stud.
That's a nice one, dude.
Itself.
Yep. Oh my god, that's a stud, dude.
Yeah,
That's a big one. That's a big one, bro.
That's a good fish.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at that.
That's a kicker fish.
Yep,
right there.
that's a kicker. Beautiful girl.
Fish. This is the fish that
Look at this
wins
guy.
tournaments.
Look at this guy.
Oh, look at that.
That's a tank.
Right on the side of the jaw.
Yep. All right, man.
That's the kicker fish for the day. We're gonna end our epic 3-day trip with that beast right there. So here she goes.
Beautiful fish.
Going. That's gonna wrap it. That was awesome.